In the world of military aviation, only a few aircraft have truly defined what it means to operate in the harshest, most unforgiving environments. Today, we step inside the legendary DHC-5 Buffalo Canadian-built short takeoff and landing aircraft that has served with pride across combat zones, humanitarian missions, and rescue operations. This is not just a transport plane. This is an aviation icon. Born in the 1960s by Havilland Canada, the DHC-5 Buffalo was designed to answer a critical question: how do you transport troops and cargo into places where no other aircraft can land? With its STOL capability, the Buffalo could land on unprepared runways, grass fields, and even rugged mountain strips. A feat that made it invaluable for military and humanitarian missions alike. And now, let's step inside the cockpit of the DHC-5 Buffalo. Here, the pilots control an aircraft that combines raw power with precision. Handling. Analog gauges dominate the instrument panel, offering reliability even in extreme conditions. Every switch, every dial, and every throttle lever tells the story of an aircraft built to perform in impossible situations. The Buffalo's short takeoff and landing performance was legendary. With powerful General Electric CT64 turboprop engines, the aircraft could take off in less than 200 feet and land on strips where most military transports simply could not. It was a lifeline in remote outposts, war-torn regions, and disaster zones where only the Buffalo could reach. The Buffalo wasn't just Canada's pride. From the jungles of Africa to the frozen landscapes of the Arctic, the aircraft proved itself time and time again. The Canadian forces used it for troop transport, supply runs, and medevac operations. It even played a role in UN peacekeeping missions. Wherever resilience was needed, the Buffalo answered the call. After decades of loyal service, the DHC-5 Buffalo began to retire, replaced by modern aircraft such as the Airbus CC-295. Yet its spirit lives on. For aviation, historians, pilots, and enthusiasts, the Buffalo remains a symbol of rugged engineering, versatility, and legendary STOL performance. The DHC-5 Buffalo is more than a aircraft. It is a story of innovation, bravery, and the relentless pursuit of excellence in military aviation. What do you think about this legendary Canadian transport? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more Supersonic stories from the sky.